Well, this week we're going to study the demonstrative adjectives in English. And those demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these, those. This, that, these, those. In Spanish will be the equivalent to esto o esta, that, eso o esa, these, estos o estas, and those. Demonstrative adjectives: this, that, these, those. This week we're going to be studying and practicing demonstrative adjectives in English. This, that, these, those. That in Spanish are equivalent to this, meaning esto, esta, that, eso, esa, these, estos, estas, those, esos, esas. You can find these demonstrative adjectives in examples such as, what's this? It's a ticket. Or, these watches are Japanese. That car is Italian. What are those? They're headphones. We use these and these for things that are near, that is, that are here, meaning aquí. Los ocupamos para cosas, para señalar cosas que están cerca de uno, que están aquí. We use that or those for things which are near you, that is, that are there. Y ocupamos that or those para señalar aquellas cosas que no están cerca de uno, es decir, que están lejos, que están ahí. So notice the difference. Here, aquí, there, ahí. This and that are for singular objects, and these and those are for plural. These, that, these, and those can be adjectives. For example, this watch. In this example, this functions as an adjective describing watch, meaning quiere decir que no es cualquier reloj, sino este reloj. Or you can, or they can be pronouns, like in the example, what's this? También estos demostrativos pueden funcionar como pronombres, como en el ejemplo de esta pregunta, what's this? Es decir, ¿qué es esto? Here you have a picture where there are examples of how to use demonstrative pronouns. Remember, if it is singular and it is near, we said, this is an apple. If it is plural but is near, we're going to say, these are apples. If it is singular but the object is far, we're going to have an example like, that is an apple. But if it is plural and it is still far, we're going to use an example such as, those are apples. Remember just the pronunciation. This, these. This, this. So well, continue practicing this week with exercises of demonstrative adjectives.